Okay, we're gonna do this tiny little thing, Travessa da Fa de Pancho, and we're gonna kind of angle down that way when after we go down and kind of show you this little area, a little highlight of such. There's the looks like beach and casino, but I think it's a Cotai. It's like a big thing overlooking Cotai strip, all the casinos, and you kind of on this street right here. Anyways, let's go into more detail about that in a second. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, before we even begin, keep calm and eat kebab. There's a kebab shop right here, Doner Istanbul. Got really good kebabs. I got them around the city. There's Doner Istanbul. This is one of them, and yeah, they're tasty. Oh, I got hummus as well. Nice. Huh, little box set. That looks like a pretty good box set right there. Huh. Usually I get these ones, but I didn't realize you got hummus with these ones, and you could get that one. Looks really amazing. Anyways, doner kebab. And then got a ton of apartments down here. This goes north, so this is all Taipa Central. And then down this way, big wall of apartments. And down there is Cotai Strip. And let's just kind of see what else is around here a little bit. This is Taipa Grande, I believe. Yeah, there's a big lookout at the top. I filmed up there a couple times. Rich porridge, okay. It's kind of typical Macau food. And we're gonna head on down. Okay, let's go on down. So we're gonna head on down this little alley, and we'll just name it after this alley, and then you can kind of see where this alley is located and what's around it. I kind of want to go down to the left a little bit too, because there's some interesting stuff down that way. Tiny little alley. Got a place to sit right there. Looks pretty comfortable. And that's the end of our little alley. When it comes out in here, and you have a Japanese restaurant here. Capture it on the angle. So that's our alley. So wet. Okay. So this is Japanese restaurant, and this is Kingsville down here. And then you got some other places to sit, like that, and also this space too. And I think this used to be maybe a police port or police post. So the police would be in that little box, I think, in some part of history, I think, or a tourist thing maybe. So we got this tiny little street in here, and then we're kind of coming right across some other. This is called Rua Fernão Mendes Pinto. We're just gonna go down a little bit, not too far. I just want to capture a couple stuff. There's like a burger shop right here. I'll just tie it in with the alley. Flying Sports House. Flying Sports, huh? Like a giant tennis racket, I guess. Barbershop right there. Beautiful tree. And right here, to the right, is a fireworks factory of yesteryear. Patio cafe. That's kind of cool. Burgers, cafe, and art. You have this kind of nice little space. So you got a little bit of Portuguese cool stuff in there. So this is kind of interesting too. Walking culture, outdoor and indoor exhibition, and all these little stuff with shops in it, right? To draw us to reinvent memories. Reinvent memories, that's kind of cool. This goes right up to nice little park up there. It says love in the window. That's kind of cool artwork, so that must be the artwork of Ana Aragao. To draw us to reinvent memories. Beautiful. It's really cool. It's one thing I like about Macau is they promote a lot of their artists. There's a little temple right there too. So you got like a mix of Portuguese and Chinese. So we're gonna come around to the side of this temple in a minute. I believe that says like fireworks factory if I have that 100% right. They also had like a lot of oyster factories too. I don't want to film in too close, but there is a temple right there. So we're gonna keep on walking. Yes, I think this used to be one giant factory all the way here, but now it's I think it's like abandoned, I think. Beautiful window right there. We're gonna come over on this side. Oh yeah, we got a little altar right here. So looks like, let me just kind of focus on it a little bit. Looks like you could also kind of go up behind. It's been raining a lot today. It's over here. Storage, I guess. I guess you could walk right in there right now. Giant trees. Yeah, this is all dilapidated, and it's kind of funny because this is a really beautiful street. This is kind of interesting. They could do a lot of different stuff. They could clean it up, put like outdoor cafe or something. I don't know. A lot of Southeast Asia, I'll see space utilized quite well. That's outside, but I don't really see it here. Different street up here. That would be worth exploring. And I think what we'll do is we'll just end it right here. So our little alley was straight back there, and now we're on a different street altogether, right? And our alley was basically back there. This cool little space right up in there. Okay, let's end this one.